There's my old buddy right there, Tim Turner. One of the older trucks that has AC. What you gotta say, Timmy?
Oh man.
Hey man, who's behind you? Please not say King. Huh? No, but, yeah. I'm rejecting kings.
That's what they gonna say, you know that.
I told Jeremy no kings, man. No, I just said no brothers. Don't send no brother. He already knew. Because they'll be washing here for an hour and a half. Those are their brothers, man. There's two brothers that all they do is wash their truck because they don't want to do any work. Slows everything down. So you got your good workers like this gentleman right here, Tim Turner, one of the best drivers we have. And then you got your lazy ones that all they want to do is wash their trucks. Here's the foreman right here, Pedro.
There's my foreman.
You guys ever want concrete? It's Beretta Construction Company, LLC. So if you're here in Louisville, Kentucky, you want good concrete laid, use Beretta Construction Company, LLC. All right. After that, we got another truck coming. This is my son right here. It's his first concrete pour for him.
It's crazy.
There's my buddy Mike over there. Kick him back. All right, folks. I'll get you guys later. Adios.